Yo, what's up guys? So we are currently with John in his R33. I'm in the R32 GTR. We have his NSX over there and Danny's Kanjo Civic on the other side of the GTR. We're gonna head over to this really cool car meet. So should be cool. We're gonna mob out together. Should be a lot of JDM stuff there and a lot of other cool different types of cars. Meet starts in about 2 hours, but we're getting there a little early to set up. So I'll take you guys along the ride. Love this thing. We got about 3/4 of a tank, give or take. I posted a driving video today of the day of me filming this. This is Sunday, so if you haven't checked it out, I'll leave it somewhere up here. This is my first time. I've ridden in this car and I've ridden in that car. I just recently drove that car, but I had never driven this car, so I'm gonna drive this one today. So then I'll have full experience in an R32 and an R33 GTR. Which, dude, I'm so grateful to be in this position, man. I mean, I still dream about these cars, and it's like, it's just awesome, man. Absolutely awesome.
We're gonna follow you, all right?
Okay. It's actually really easy to drive. Well, John doesn't know what mods are on this thing completely, but it definitely sounds like it has a cam, which is pretty sick. Got a Honda revving at us, and then Danny's behind us just... Dude, this Honda over there is blowing mad smoke. Dude, he's burning so much oil, dude. Oh my God. Hearing the turbo spool and the blow-off valve, favorite part. One of my favorite parts. Everything about this car and the R33, and I can't imagine R34, my God, that must be awesome. Everybody comes up and like looks at you, especially like I got the whole squad behind me, and this guy came up. I should have pressed record. He's like, "Hey, you the squad leader?" I was like, "Keep good people around you. This is how this stuff happens." I love this car, man. This is a dream, dude. There's an R33 behind me, bro. I love this. Don't wanna rub, don't wanna rub. Dude, I could so buy one of these. Like, I'd go into debt for this car. I love this car. It's so good. Woo. Once this thing hits boost, it's a different animal. Oh my goodness. It's not like crazy fast like out of boost, but it's still fun and it still has a lot of low down torque, but it gets all of the torque obviously once you hit boost. Once you hit boost, it's a different animal. Like from 1 to like almost 4 grand, you just wait for boost to kick in, and from like 4 to like 7,500, just it's so good. So freaking good. This thing, like, once you hit boost, I was trying to pass and I saw a car coming up and I was trying to pass in front of him. Normally, you know, you don't really have much passing power in a car like mine, like a Civic or a Miata, but in this thing, once you hit boost, oh my God, it's like a rocket. Love this car, man. This and the R33, just GTRs in general. The R35 is a little bit out of touch just because it's not manual, and it feels more like kind of like computerized. It's almost like playing a video game, but this R32 and R33, so far from what I've experienced, is absolutely amazing, man. What a crazy car. I love this thing. I can't wait to drive an R34. I'm hoping maybe I can drive the R34 you guys saw in the video earlier at the show, Frank's Tamikaira. Those things are sick. I'd love to drive one of those. Danny. Yeah, once it hits boost, oh my god, animal, straight up animal. This is what I want. I want a GTR. I really like the R33. I don't know, man. We'll see what the future holds. The interior of the R33 is really nice, and I know those gauges on it that I drove, they're aftermarket, but I love those things, man. They're Defy gauges, I believe. There's something about having all those gauges for boost and oil pressure and all that stuff at night. You go for like a nighttime drive, that shit is sick. I just love sitting here listening to the idle. I will say the stock, I'm trying not to say too much because I do want to do like a full review on this car, but the stock seats in this GTR is really nice. They hold you really well in place. The bolstering on the legs are, they're like not directly up like OMP seats, but they're like kind of, they're not out either. They're like kind of like diagonal, and they hold your legs in really well. The seats are pretty good, like they're comfy too. Jeez, Danny. I don't know if this one shoots flames, but I know the blue R33 does. Oh, the policia. Ain't doing no pulls now, guys. Keep it nice and quiet. Straight cruising. This car's really good at that too, just cruising around town. Oh, I think the cop is talking to him and telling him nice car. That's sick, dude. Dude, the cop is filming us. That's sick, dude. That was the best experience for like just random road cops that I've seen so far that I've had. That was dope. What a cool guy, man. He's usually when a cop like comes out and he slows down, you know, he's gonna bother you or something, but this guy seems pretty chill. He's just filming us on his phone, man. That's dope. That was dope. That was sick. Yo, did you see that cop?
Yeah, he was filming.
He was filming. That was sick.
Did you see him put his lights on?
Yeah, he went around. He's like, he just wanted to get a video. That was sick.
He started slowing down. And I was like, oh.
I know. I was like,
PJ did it. I was like, oh, he's filming.
I was like, yeah, he's talking or something.
That's the reaction I hope to get more times than not. You
Yeah.
know what I mean, like, we're not doing dumb shit. We're not, you know.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm happy like anybody can appreciate the cars, like no matter who they are.
Yeah. That was funny. I was a little nervous.
I was very nervous. Especially because I saw PJ like just matching the speed. I was like, oh no. I wonder if he's like,
That looks so suspect.
I know, I was like, oh no. So I'm like, speed limit's 45, we're doing like 20. I was like, oh no. Oh no. Yeah, if you just stay in boost in this car, it's fast as fuck. I love Danny's Conjo Civic, bro. That thing is nice. So sick. Danny's guy's so cool. looks like so much fun. And I think he still has a broken axle. Man, it's wild. Yeah, like we're cruising now at like 3,000 RPM at about 120 kilometers an hour. I don't know what that is in miles an hour. I'm gonna guess 65, 70. So that's pretty good. You know, it's geared pretty well, especially for like a 5-speed. Dude, I could drive this thing all day. The saddest thing about these cars is giving them back to John. Oh man, I gotta buy one so bad. I want one so badly. I work hard and I'm gonna get one.
$20.
Okay. Sign this shit, homie.
When are you gonna buy one of these?
Soon. Hey Frank, what's up?
What's going on, man?
What's up, man? Dude, I fucking love these cars. They are like really good cruisers and shit.
Nah, that's what you have to drive.
What, the blue one?
33.
I drove it last time.
Okay, that's a more comfortable.
Oh yeah, no, that.
The first spot's up there.
All these cars are for sale. The R32, the R33 GTR, well, not Danny's hatch. That's never going anywhere. This is John's NSX, like his personal car. But the GTRs, the Supras, the RX-7s, all of them in the driveway or at the shop that he has, they're all for sale. Come on, Grandma. I don't want to rub. He's got you. I'll line up the front. Can we get Danny next to the NSX? Cool. So loud. Oh my god. All right, show's over. Everyone's leaving. Later, man.
I'll catch you later.
I actually really like the 4-door. It's pretty sick. It's a little long, but I like it. What is this? Uh-oh, burnout? So we're gonna go ahead and park the cars in front of the restaurant. They want some photos of the cars. They're gonna get some photos of the cars with the stuff up front. So we're gonna go park up front, get some photos, and I guess we'll head back to HQ.